Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys see what I've got for you guys today, Coco SA. So today it's gonna be private school soulful piano. So I hope you guys like this and watch this video until the end, because there is a password on this video. So yeah, you gotta watch it until the end so that you guys can be able to unlock this folder. So my first MIDI. So that's the first MIDI. The second one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, so as you guys heard from that, so I've got vocals that I made here, so I'm gonna play it with the first.
I've been waiting, I've been
So I hope you guys heard from that. So I've got some second single. So as you guys heard from that, we've got the last one. So as you guys heard from these, so let's go for our drum loop, so that you guys can hear what I've got for you guys. So the first drum loop sound, the second one, the fourth one sounds like this, the third one I mean. We got the fourth one. So as you guys heard that to a fourth. So we've got some kicks. So 7 kicks on the folder. So we've got some hi-hats. You can use like this one. So you can use that. So some hi-hats, and then we've got some drum lock. some drum lock. Got second one. So you guys are gonna dive in. So we've got some presets, we've got some percussion. So we've got percussion, we've got some effect, got some shakers. Yo guys, thank you for watching this video until the end, and I hope you guys got the password on the video. So stay tuned, and then don't forget to comment down below on what you guys want me to drop next, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below on what you guys want me to drop next. Thank you so much.